Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the anterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary secretes hormone that control a wide range of bodily activities. The hypothalamus regulates the anterior pituitary by the producing releasing hormones that stimulates the release of anterior pituitary gland hormone and inhibiting the hormones that suppress release of anterior pituitary gland hormones. The anterior pituitary has the five principal types of cells which secrete seven major hormones. Anterior pituitary hormones GH, which stimulates general body growth and regulates certain aspect of metabolism. Thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, which controls secretions and other activity of the thyroid gland. Follicle stimulating hormones and luteinizing hormones LH. Together, FSH and LH stimulate the secretion of estrogen and progesterone and the maturation of the oocytes in the ovary and the secretion of the testosterone and sperm production in the testes. Prolactin, which initiate milk production in the mammary glands, adenocorticotropic hormone ACTH, and the melanocyte stimulating hormone MSH. ACTH stimulate the adrenal cortex to secrete glucocorticoids. MSH affect the skin pigmentation. Summary of the hormones secreted by the anterior pituitary glands and their functions. Hormone function. Hormones are the growth hormone GH. Functions is regulate the metabolisms, promote tissue growth, especially of the bones and muscles. Thyroid stimulating hormone TSH stimulate the growth and activity of thyroid gland and secretion of T3 and T4. Adenocorticotropic hormone ACTH stimulate the adrenal cortex to secrete the glucocorticoids. Prolactin stimulates growth of breast tissue too and milk production. And follicle stimulating hormone FSH stimulate production of the sperm and the testes. Stimulates secretion of estrogen by ovary maturation of ovarian follicle ovulation. Luteinizing hormones are stimulate secretion of testosterone by the testes, stimulate the secretion of progesterone by the corpus luteum. Growth hormones. This is the most abundant hormone synthesized by the anterior pituitary. It stimulates growth and division of most body cells, but especially those in the bone and skeletal muscles. Body growth in response to secretion of the GH is evident during childhood and adolescence, and thereafter secretion of DH maintain the mass of bones and skeletal muscles. It also regulates aspects of metabolism in many organs. Examples are the liver, intestine, and pancreas. It's stimulated by growth hormone releasing hormone GHRH and suppressed by growth hormone release inhibiting hormone also known as the somatostatin, both of which are secreted by the hypothalamus. Secretion of GH is greater at night during sleep and is also stimulated by the hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, exercise and anxiety. Secretions peak in adolescence and then decline with age. In today's class, I discuss about the growth hormone and also about the anterior pituitary hormones. Thank you for watching.